Welcome to Summarize Science, where we break down complex research for you. Have you ever used an app that felt old or stopped getting updates? Keeping software up to date is a huge, constant challenge for developers. It's often a tedious and error-prone process called library migration, like swapping out a car's engine while it's still running. But what if AI could handle this complex task for us automatically? That's exactly what researchers explored in a recent paper. They used a powerful AI assistant, GitHub's Copilot, in agent mode, which is designed to plan and execute complex coding tasks on its own. The mission was to update a popular database tool for Python called SQLAlchemy from an older version to a newer one. This wasn't just a simple test. They tried this across 10 different real-world applications that depend on this tool. To measure success, the researchers created a new metric called migration coverage. Think of it like a quality score that checks if the AI correctly identified and changed all the outdated pieces of code. So, how did the AI agent do? The results were fascinating and a bit of a mixed bag. On one hand, the AI was brilliant at understanding what needed to be changed. In half of the projects, it achieved a perfect 100% migration coverage, meaning it found every single spot that needed an update. This shows these AI agents are getting incredibly good at reading and analyzing code. However, knowing what to change and actually doing it correctly are two different things. This is where the AI struggled. After the AI finished its work, the researchers ran the application's test suites to see if they still worked. The median test pass rate was less than 40%. This means that more often than not, the AI's fix actually broke the application's functionality. In one case, the AI got stuck in an infinite loop trying to fix a compatibility issue with another library, and the researchers had to stop it. Interestingly, even when it broke things, the AI's code was sometimes considered better by certain quality metrics. The researchers also compared this new AI agent's performance to an older, simpler AI method on one of the projects. The new agent was a clear winner, performing better on every single metric. So, what's the big takeaway here? The study shows that AI agents are on the right track and have become very skilled at the analysis part of updating code. They can identify the problem areas with impressive accuracy. But they still lack the deeper understanding needed to make those changes without causing unintended side effects. This means we're probably not ready for fully autonomous AI mechanics fixing our software just yet. The future is likely a partnership where a human developer works alongside an AI agent, guiding it and verifying its work. This human-in-the-loop approach could combine the AI's speed and analytical power with a human's judgment and experience. Thanks for watching Summarize Science. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more research breakdowns.